Welcome. If you're tired of videos automatically playing while you scroll through X, formerly known as Twitter, on your PC, you're not alone. Autoplay videos can be distracting, use up your data, and sometimes show content you'd rather avoid. Luckily, with the latest update, stopping these videos is quick and easy. Here's how you can take control of your feed and prevent videos from autoplaying. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand side panel and find the More icon. It usually looks like 3 dots or a small circle with dots inside. Click on it to open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Now, look for the section labeled Accessibility, Display, and Language. Click on it to reveal more settings related to how X looks and feels on your screen. Next, click on Accessibility. Here, you'll find several features designed to make your browsing experience better. Scroll down until you see the autoplay option. This is where you can control whether videos start playing automatically as you scroll through your timeline. To stop videos from autoplaying, simply select the Never option. Once you've chosen this, X will immediately update your settings. From now on, videos will only play when you click on them, giving you full control over what you watch and when you watch it. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've disabled autoplay videos on X for your PC. Enjoy a calmer, more focused browsing experience without unwanted interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might want to take back control of their timeline. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scrolling.